Hello friends, welcome to the web programming practicals in PHP. Today we are going to see how to use get and post methods. So get and post methods are used when you want to access the form contents which user fills. So get method is to be used when there is no sensitive data that you want to access, whereas you should use post method if the data that you are accessing is going to be a sensitive data, for example the passwords. So get and post method both creates an array, and in that array all the form data that user has entered will be stored. So using this get and post method we can use the data that user has entered onto the form. Let's see the program how the get method and the post method works. So this program is about using post method. So you can see this is a simple HTML form where on action attribute we are calling this file, that is welcome.php. So on the action attribute you have to use the same file name that you would like to get after clicking on the submit button. So in this welcome.php file you can access and you can display all the contents that user has filled in this HTML form. So here you can see that in HTML form there are three fields like name, email and password. If you want to display what user has entered, that content can be displayed using this post method. So here the name of input box, name is used here. Then this is for email address. Now if you want to also display the password, let me copy these lines and let me do the necessary changes here, like your password is, and in this post method I will use the name here as PW because the name of my input field of password is PW. Once done, you can save this program, also save this HTML form program. Now let us start the WAMP server. You can type here WAMP and you can click on this open. So your WAMP server will get on. Here by clicking on this localhost you will get this page wherein you can execute your PHP scripts. So our PHP script name is form post. You can see that it is an HTML file and welcome file is of .php. So I'm using this form post as the name of my script .html. By pressing enter, this will display. Now into this form you can enter the name, email ID and some password. Now password field, you cannot see the characters of it. After clicking on submit, this will be displayed, the username, the email ID and the password. Now if you want this password to be displayed on the new line, come to your program and you have to add the break character BR. So since it is displayed through welcome.php file, you have to write this break character in welcome.php file. So here you can add in this way. You have to save this file again. You can go back to this. You can write here the name of your HTML script, enter the data and again click on the submit. So here you see that your password is displayed on the new line because of this break character. Now let us talk about the get method. So just make the change here from post to get, and also in welcome.php we have to set this method as get. So instead of this post array, here I am going to write get. It has to be in a capital because this is a super global array. So wherever I was using it as a post array, I will change it to the get. Once done, you can save this file. You can also save this file because here also we have made the change in the method. So save this file with the same name, or you can use the other name to save this file. Now to give the relevant name to the program of get method, I will save the program with different name. So here my earlier name was form post. Now since this is a program of Git, I will write form Git.html because this is an HTML script. Select the type as all files and click on save. Now come to your WAMP server and write here form Git.html. It will display this HTML form. You can enter the data, also enter some password, and then click on submit button. So this is how it will access the form content and display it here. So basically get and post method both work in similar manner, but you can use get method if the data that you want to display is not confidential, and you have to use the post method when you are dealing with the confidential data. So this is how get and post methods can be used in PHP language. Thank you for watching this video. Do comment in case of any query below.